Me know say if me dey take up my machete and go down there. At same time police are come for me. Same time. So we need some urgent assistance because we are get double message and we don't know what happened.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome again, Unstoppable family. Now people, this video I'm about to let you see right here was sent to me by a loyal subscriber, Karen. Thank you so much, Karen, for sending this video to me. Now Karen asked me, Unstoppable, please can you assist in bringing some awareness to this father's issue? Now, in this video, the father can be seen basically blaming Savlamar Hospital and the nurses and doctors there for his son's passing. Now, the father is saying that negligence, in his words, could have been the reason why his newborn baby is not alive today.
I lost my son Jadir Vassell yesterday, 10 a.m. at the Savlamar Public Hospital. And I'm just doing this to get some answers, please. So anyone that's passing by and see me here, please help me to share and get some answers. What really transpired in the Savlamar Public Hospital. Yesterday, 10 a.m., as I said, lose my son. Zin. The boss only get to live 5 days, only 5 days. In born Thursday, and by yesterday I'm gone because negligence in the hospital, and the people them, the nurse them are work, but they not work for love, them are work for money. Them are work for money. Me don't know when me talk like this, me feel my heart a beat fast and me don't know. But them are work for money and they not work for love. And my fiance share one very sad story of what happened in the labor room. And my thought and her thought is that the persons, they didn't went through the process good, and that's the reason for we losing or losing our son. Please help me to share this. We need some answers from the government, from child care, from the children advocate. We need all kind of answers. No. What my fiance said happened in the delivery room. My fiance went in the delivery room and she explained to me about the process, and it wasn't nice. My fiance is about 5 feet and a nurse about almost 6 feet. She explained to me, I pushed down on her belly, I shook down on her belly, I said, baby can come, the baby can come. After she a push how long and the baby now come, the baby now come. And she a tell them, say she want a C-section, this is not working. She a explain to me, say the nurse have her hand at dig out, what she fit dig out, and it no work good. It end up, the baby came out, his brain was damaged. After, then say it can't work, and then how long them a push and I tell her if you push, then she said then tell her if you push, then till she even defecate. She did it over and over and the baby now come. She said she asked them, say please slip me and take him out. Then said no, he can't come, and you now push hard enough, and she a push and she a push, and them a push down in her stomach and the baby now come. And after all a long waiting, then go get one doctor. And the doctor said it can't work. And after the doctor said it can't work, no apology, nothing. Zane, even though apology still would help. After all, the nonsense were going, then carry her go to theater And then she said then the theater still a talk a while and she have to cry and I say, why you not just deal with this something fast? Why you not take so long? So due towards all our happen, then said the baby born, brain damage, have heart problem. We need some answers. We want to know what happened because I asked one of the doctors if isn't it a way where the nurse is supposed to know if the person can push before I continue to force the issue. And the doctor said there is procedures they're supposed to take. So if the procedures was take the proper way, that means the child would born normal, right? Now we get two different saying from the doctors. One of them say, alright, thanks. Me know say, yeah. You see me? One of them now say, the baby born and the baby come out a breed normal. And then all of a sudden he start have seizures and they have to take him to the nursery. The next doctor now explain say, due to lack of oxygen, the baby down in here so long. It caused brain damage and heart problem. So we get two different answers. And we want to get to the bottom of this. We filed a report. They said that they can speak to us no earlier than Wednesday of next week. And my son born Thursday. And you're going to live 5 days. And then I put this away next week. And me know say if me go down there now, and with my machete, and chop one of the nurse in their head, at same time police are come for me. Then I wait till next week, Wednesday. Same time. And they mash up the youth now, and them a give away all kind of mixed answers. And we can't know what happened to his son. We can't know. And we need to know. I want this to reach to the Prime Minister. I want to know what happened to my son. Zane, my fiancé keep on a breakdown every minute people call. Hello, hi. Hi. Tell me if one nurse 6 feet and look like she weigh about almost 300 pounds for a shoot down in a somebody belly for a baby come out. After all of that, the baby still not come out down there, then still have to carry her go to theater. So tell the truth now. Not the lack of oxygen down here, so mash up the baby brain. Mash up the baby heart. Me am no nurse, me am no doctor, but me know so you have to go. And please, help me share this. Mr. Prime Minister, please look into the matter for us. Child protection agencies, any lawyer who want to check out this for we need some help. Because then said Thursday, hello, hi, help me share this message, please. Some of these nurses are, and yeah, they have no love, they just work for money. You see, when me carry her down there, I 1:05 in the morning, and by we reach one of the nurse a give her pay attitude. She'll tell me say nurse I ask why she come so late. Tell me now when you feel pain you have to go hospital for have pitney. The nurse begs with the girl for come in come have pitney 1 a.m. in the morning. I know your fault. Me did how long and me see them a give her attitude. When did you start feeling pain? And she tell them till them a get the girl confused. She not even know what to say to you, how them a deal with the girl. And she really soft. Me lady soft, she not really like that. So them a confuse the girl because after one. And you know, we as Jamaicans, some of the time 12 o'clock pass in the night and we're still referring it for the same day. So she was like, I start feeling pain from this morning, and them this morning or yesterday. After one now, you know, it's a different day. And they understand now when them assist her into the delivery room, the nurse pick up the suitcase with angriness, it drop on the ground, take you up and go in there. And then after she come out of delivery, she has said to me, say, when she reach in the nurse tell her to put on her nightie. And while putting on the nightie, she not get to zip up back the suitcase as yet. And the nurse, with her angriness again, lift up the suitcase. Everything fall out on the ground with the whole of baby close them and the whole of hair close them. Tell me, say, no, some real foolishness now go on. These are all foolishness. I don't even know if it talks, say. I tell you the truth. But we want some help, we want some answer. We want some answers. We really do. No. They're heartless. They're heartless. No, after she come out and I went in the morning, she couldn't walk, so they allowed me to go and look for the baby. And I was like, what's wrong with him? Can you tell me? And them I said, no, they can't go tell me. But definitely by 4 o'clock, them are going to reach out to the mother and tell the mother, and then the mother go tell me what happened. Yeah, and 4 o'clock come, me call, she said nothing. Then I come to her 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Then I come. By 9 morning now, she can move around a bit. And one of the nurse told her she can go and visit the baby. When she went, me all drink rum, and me not eat, and I know me normal style, you know. No, me normal style. She said, then say she can't visit the baby. She fi call me and it 2 away. Go in. Go visit him together. Me know one bag of sitting and come up in a head. What this, that, and when they reach then give me bad news. Say man, brain damage, all kind of something. 5 days. 5 days. And the only time we got to hold him was when he passed. That was the only time. And persons are reaching out to us, showing sympathy, and I'm thankful. And some are reaching out to us thinking they're giving sympathy, but they're really hurting us as well. Because people are reaching out to us as like, because me have a different belief, I got a hurt way. Some people I say ancestor and appear right now, my fiancé start cry. Because people are hurt way and they now know so them are hurt way. Them are come with some ancestor foolishness and God foolishness and they now go bring closure, and they know before he died, them a tell us if we pray and how much somebody pray for him and you know help him. And then still I mash up with head. Please reach out to us with love and sympathy. Not try to criticize and say, boy, some ancestors' fault or someone else's fault or God plans. Or why would God plan to hurt that innocent child? If you really think you have a God and your God's so good, may I tell you he's not. Please help me to share this message, alright? Alright, thank you very much. Mr. Prime Minister, please help me looking at this matter. I'm not stupid, I'm not gonna go down there to hurt the nurse, but me know say if me dey take up my machete and go down there. At same time, police are come for me. Same time. So we need some urgent assistance. Because we are get double message and we don't know what happened. And how she explained what happened to me, in a delivery room, the problem was they took too long. They should have taken her to the theater a long time ago because she was requesting it. She was requesting for they to slit her or give her a cut at the theater to take out the baby, and they didn't. So please, reach out, help me. Thank you everyone for coming, and please help me to share this message.
Now viewers, after visiting the father's page, I was reading some of the comments where I saw several persons in the comment section saying that they themselves had issues, similar issues with this hospital, and they are trying to find out what is going on and saying something needs to be done. Now what I want to do for me is tell me in the comment section, you know, if you are watching this video right now, have you ever had a bad experience at the Savamar hospital? Talk to me down below in the comment section, let me know. Alright, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share this video out so that it gets before the eyes that needs to see it. Tag the Minister of Health, tag the Prime Minister, tag everybody so that someone can step in and intervene and do something about what is happening right here. Alright, watch out. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.